Opposition legislator Rupafadzo Makumire has tabled a motion in the parliament calling on the government to declare a state of emergency in public hospitals, citing the severe deterioration of healthcare facilities and services across the country. Sadabida mashoko buda panguva inochona opposition MP anochallenge Mnangagwa administration panguva ino achisteta kuti aiwa vakomana, the state of emergency it must be declared. Panoonekwa kuti mahospitals panguva ino ari in a state dzinomira zvakanaka. Ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timuna mnamo kudai pamuchinzi. In presenting the motion last week, Makumiri highlighted a series of crises affecting the sector, including collapsing infrastructure, mass exodus of medical professionals, and the critical shortages of essential medicine. He said, "Our hospitals have collapsed. There are no essential medicines. Equipment is outdated or non-functional. Electricity and clean water are unreliable, and staff shortages are putting lives at risk, particularly women during childbirth." The legislator invoked Section 76 of the Constitution, which guarantees the right to health, and Section 113, which permits declaring a state of emergency when national life is under threat. Through the motion, I urge the government to mobilize domestic and international resources and prioritize material care and chronic disease management, he added. Supporters of the motion described the situation as a constitutional crisis, arguing that formal recognition through a state of emergency would unlock resources and focus government efforts on saving lives. However, some ruling party MPs opposed the motion, claiming that where hospitals face challenges, the situation does not yet warrant an emergency. They cited ongoing government efforts, including clinic construction, equipment procurement, and staff training programs, while admitting that funding delays and shortfalls have slowed the progress. Makumiri's motion underscores the urgent need for government to confront the public health crisis head-on, sparking a heated debate in Parliament over whether the collapse of hospitals require immediate decisive action. Ndio mashoko aripo panguva ino tichiona kuti aiwa opposition MP oyachisa emotion achiti aiwa ngatitodeclare hedu state of emergency in hospitals, noda kuti hazvina kumira zvakanaka kuzvipatara uku. People's lives are under threat. Muna comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechirwere ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.